Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Jam Fete, promoting brand Jamaica and the Jamaican culture all across the world. Now, something incredible just took place on Twitter. Absolutely incredible. So, the Gleaner posted a story saying details have emerged that the Heart Trust NTA paid out undisclosed millions in new salaries to senior executives before getting the required approvals. Now, this guy called Leroy Clark responded, "The Gleaner RGR Group is not a credible source of information, so this should be validated before running along with the story." And then the Gleaner unbelievably responded, "Your mother not credible." Now, honestly, Gleaner Company created in 1834, which is usually used as a sort of measuring stick for quality in terms of journalism in Jamaica. Now, I'm going to say that the Gleaner allegedly wrote this because the tweet has since been deleted from Twitter. Now, this is just absolutely incredible. So I don't know who was behind the handle of the Gleaner on Sunday, but I think I can say yes, no, Spanish Town for somebody. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to JamFet, promoting brand Jamaica and the Jamaican culture across the world.